Hey everyone!
Hi guys.
Sorry we've been gone for like 2 weeks. Some of us got sick and some of us had other things going on, so we couldn't really film. So we're gonna show you how to make fried chicken sandwiches, essentially. I've got thin sliced chicken breast.
And I got thin sliced pork chops.
And then instead of normal bread or buns or rolls or whatever, we're going to be actually doing it with waffles.
And we'll be adding Stubbs Sticky Sweet.
There you go.
There we go.
And then we're actually going to make our pork and chicken spicy. So we're going to be using Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, and this is more spice. A couple other things is eggs,
Salt. And oil.
Yep. All right. Ready to get cooking?
Yes.
All right. All right. So you want to get your eggs cracked. We're going to be using 2 of them. Then you want to start whisking them, get them broken up and combined. Also add some Creole seasoning and some salt to it. And then you want to start working on your Bisquick mixture. I don't know how much Bisquick we used. I really didn't measure. Maybe like 2 cups, maybe. And then we added a good bit of Creole seasoning. I don't know how much Creole we actually used. We used a lot. And then you want to get your chicken into the egg wash. And get egg covering the whole thing. And then you can start putting it into your Bisquick mixture. Make sure she's just wringing off the excess. You don't have to if you don't want to. It's just something she does. You then can get everything in there. You don't have to use a bowl. You can use a Ziploc bag. Another thing she is doing is she is poking holes in it. If you have thicker chicken, it would be advised for you to do this. That way the hot oil will actually get inside the meat and help it cook faster. So we're using thinner meat, but still stabbed it. It turned out perfectly. So just give it a couple stabs on all the pieces, and there you go. Definitely do this for thicker chicken. You don't want to have like a burnt crust and not like cooked chicken. It just doesn't end well. Alright, and there's our final product. Now let's get them in the oil. One way to check if your oil is hot is to get a little drop of water on your finger and don't dip your finger in the oil, but like drop the water in the oil. If it bubbles, you know it's hot. I think we did these about 3-4 minutes aside. I think I didn't time it, and I should have. Next time I do it, I will time it. But it should have been like 3 or 4 minutes aside. And then flip it away from you. That way you don't get splashed by hot oil. And if you want these crispier and crunchier, you can either add cornstarch and I think baking powder. I know cornstarch for sure, but I'm not sure on the baking powder. And here is the final product, and then the rest are cooking up. Alright, so we're going to be trying it. She's going to try a bite even though she doesn't like chicken.
Yeah.
Got our barbecue sauce.
Not bad with the seasoning.
As soon as I open up a restaurant, that's going on the menu. Alright, now you just want to start on your waffle mix. Follow the instructions on your box or bag or whatever you're using. If you're making, if you're making it from scratch and you found a home recipe, then do it that way. We're just using Bisquick, so we're just following the box here. When I say following loosely, I'm kind of just eyeing it. But if you don't feel comfortable doing that, then definitely just follow your box. Had to add a little bit more Bisquick, made it too watery. And that's looking good. Alright, now we're going to get it ladled out into our waffle maker. I put a little bit of oil on the bottom, close the lid, and then that way it oils like both sides. That way they don't stick. This waffle maker is like super old, probably old as I am, and I'm 22. Alright, and waffle looks good. Use a fork, don't be like me and use your hands. And then I'm going to get the next batch in, and we'll get to assembling.
I'm already beginning to eat mine.
Yeah, she got hungry, so there you have it. We're done. I took a bite out of mine too. It's really good. Let me get some more barbecue sauce on that. The waffle really is soaking up the barbecue sauce, which I like. Oh, and it's dripping. That's really good. So, what happens is you get the sweet from this first. And then it leaves sort of a heat sensation in your mouth afterwards. It's really good. I'm gonna try these again. I'm gonna try them in a different couple ways and different toppings on top of them. On top of them. There we go. English is hard. So I'm gonna try some different toppings on top of them, and see what that does. I'll do that in a later video, and I think next time we do it, I think maybe it'll be me and Ethan doing it. So
it would be great.
Oh, do you have some thoughts as well?
Yeah, I have some thoughts.
I didn't realize.
Yeah, it would be great.
I thought you were still eating.
Boy, I just kind of woofed that down. It would have been great if have syrup and stuff like that on it. That sweetness afterwards, right now is sweet at first and very, very spicy.
That's a good sandwich. And there's the heat coming in after the sweet. So I think I just pair this with French fries as a side dish, and then add some cheese and maybe some pickles and on top, and then that's what I do for sandwich wise. But
I've heard this with scrambled eggs.
Ooh, scrambled eggs, yeah. Or home home fries or fried potatoes.
Put it on the side of it.
That'd be really good. Well, that's gonna be. I think that's gonna be it for today's video. Sorry. Oh yeah, there's the heat some more. So that's gonna be it for today's video. We hope you all enjoyed. Links to everyone's channel and socials and everything will be down in the description. Hope you have a wonderful day.